Welcome to this video. So today I'm gonna show you how you can recover your OTP verification. Let's say, for example, you have an account and you lost access to your OTP in your authenticator app. You have an account and you lost access in your OTP authenticator app, or you can't get your phone number that you used to create the account with. You don't have any means of receiving your OTP. So what you need is to remember your login, which is your email and your password to that account. And secondly, as a Nigeria, you need NIN slip. Look at the example of NIN slip. You can see, right? You can see the example of NIN slip. It should be like this. Snap it. It should be clear enough. You understand? It should be clear enough. Or you go to your cyber cafe and tell them that you want to print out your NIN in form of this slip. In form of this slip, you get. So what you will now do is to go to the account. Go to your account. Try to log in. kdp.amazon.com. kdp.amazon.com. You are trying to recover your OTP. So now click on sign in to log into your account. You enter your email, sign in, your email, then you enter your password. You click on sign in. Now, if you have gotten to this page, what you do is to click on this place here. Didn't receive the OTP. Here, didn't receive the OTP. Then you click on it. Then what you do is now click on two-step verification account recovery. Click on it. You get. Now you scroll down. To this. Read this instruction. To regain access to your account, you will need to verify your identity, providing a scanned photo of a government issued document to protect your account. So read through this, then you get to this point and you click on this link called two-step verification recovery. Click on it. Then you log into your account again. So now, if you have gotten to this point, now look at what they require from you. They require a state-issued driver license. If you have a driver license, if you have a state ID card, if you have a voter's registration card, if you have a passport, but they also accept NIN slip. Upload your NIN slip. Upload it. Click on choose file. Allow. So now go to your files. Then you select the NIN slip you snap. The NIN slip you snap. Then you go ahead and click on submit. Then in 1 to 2 days, 2 business days, which is Monday to Friday, one of these Monday to Friday, they will send you a notification on your email that if you have submitted the right document, that you will be able to log into your account without any OTP. Hope you learned something from this video. Thank you for watching. Kindly like, subscribe and comment. If you have any question, do well to leave it in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.